Laser marking machine. CCD laser marking machine is an advanced marking solution equipped with a high-precision CCD vision positioning system. It combines fiber laser technology with an intelligent camera to automatically detect, position, and mark components with extreme accuracy. This system ensures perfect alignment and high marking efficiency, even for small, irregular, or multiple workpieces on the same platform. Welcome to consult us for more information. Thank you.